Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of KiHiVE. And hello to my subscribers. Thank you so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got these lovely and long faux goddess faux goddess locks. Yeah, they're faux locks, and I'm going to show you all how I got them. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by spraying my hair with some water and then adding some of the Unicorn Aloe and Coconut Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, my favorite cream, twisted cream ever. Going to apply that onto my hair and especially onto my ends, because you know the ends are the oldest part. So we're just going to plait this on down, leaving about an inch of hair unbraided. And then once I'm done, this is what it looks like. I look low-key kind of crazy, but you know, trust the process. So I'm going to be using the Noir Beach Curl Braid by Janet in 20 inches. This is the hair that's going to go underneath the locks, and this is what it looks like. So we're going to spray our hair with some water. It just helps the hair blend in better. And then I also like to add a little bit of my oil mix to help seal in all of the moisture. And then I take one piece of the hair. It comes apart pretty easily from the back. And then I take that one piece and split it into two pieces very slowly so it doesn't get tangled up. Okay, so now this is the part where I add in the braiding hair onto my real hair. So I take two sides, the left and the right side of my real hair, and add the braiding hair onto it. I have my middle part free. Hopefully this makes sense. And I just braid it in. It takes a couple of passes to get the hair attached to my real hair. So I pass it like 3 or 4 times just to make sure that braiding hair is secure up in there. And then I make sure my real hair is on the outside. And I attach the second half of that braiding hair into the middle leg and the outside leg where my real hair still has no braiding hair. And then I just continue braiding down like a regular braid. I like to add in the hair piece by piece because it's not as chunky as if I were to add just the braiding hair all at once. This does take a little more time, but it adds for a more seamless look. Then I just continue braiding on down until I've braided all my real hair into the plait. So once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Like I was saying earlier, it looks seamless. You can't really tell where it starts or where it really ends either. So this is what I was going for. And this is what it looks like. See, it's poofy, but the hair is super soft. It's lightweight. And I have about 65 braids in my head. And this part took me pretty much all night. Because, Lord. And I have a little bun. I wore that for about a day. Next day, I did the 3X triple afro twist braid in the Janet collection as well. And I have 2 pieces here. And I like to fluff out the ends of this hair because this hair at the ends is very kind of hard. But I ended up cutting them off because it was just too hard to work with. So I take my crochet hook and slide it through. And I like to hook the 2 pieces of hair together and add that to the hook. Close it and pull it on through. So now you're going to see here I have 2 pieces. I'm going to take one piece and pull it all the way through to make each side have 2 long pieces. I hope this makes sense, y'all. Okay, so you pull it through, and then you're going to have the ends of the hair right at the top of your scalp. And you're going to attach that to the plait with the extension hair onto it. So you have the 2 ends, the plaits, and you have 1/2 of the Afro twist hair. This is going to help make it look thicker. And you're going to take the other half of the twist and wrap it. Okay, so once you get to the end of the hair, you're going to have about an inch left. So once you have about an inch of hair left, you're going to take the other half of the hair and you're going to hold it, and then you're going to take the other half of the hair and continue wrapping down. This is what helps give the twist a long look, and also keeps the lock looking very, very seamless. And then I continue wrapping, and once I get to the end, I like to tie a knot in it because it just helps secure it so it doesn't unravel. And then I just continue wrapping until all the hair has been used. And then, as you see, it's nice and taut, not gonna slip out, and it's nice and seamless. Yes. Alright, and that is how I got these faux locs. Now, for all the information, I used 2 packs of the Janet Noir Beach Curl braid. I used 2 packs of that for the individual plaits to add on the hair at the ends. I used 2 packs of the 2X Kinky braid. I used 2 packs of that to wrap the hair with. And I plan on keeping these in for at least a month and a half. I'll probably take it out around near the new year to kind of give my hair some fresh air. This style took me a long time to do. I had them in now for about a week now, and the older that they get, the better they look. I haven't had any problems with them unraveling because I crocheted them at the root, so it's not slipping off, it's not coming undone. So pretty long. Hold on. See, they come all the way down here. As you can see, has the curly ends. These haven't gotten like tangled or anything, so that's good. But yeah, they look really, really good. I like how they kind of wave up at the end. Some of them like wave up a bit or curl up a bit. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with all your friends. And I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.